there guys, Cushy plays guitar here. Today we're going to learn Waterfall by Beach Fossils. It's super easy. And so it starts like this with a melody line just going. So this part's pretty easy. All you're going to do is take your first finger, throw it on the second fret of the E string. You're going to play open B. And then you're going to take your middle finger and put it on the third fret of the G string. And then for this, you're just going to take the minor shape, minor 7 shape, that is, and you're going to just put it into inversion. So you're going to play the 5th first, which is this one, and you're just going to play those 3. It's like that, except you're just not having the bass, the root. So, and even clearer, this is just, you take your ring finger and throw it on the 6th fret of the A, then you take your pointer finger and throw it on the 4th fret of the D and the 4th fret of the G. And if you want to add in the 4th fret of the B, you can as well. So the beginning is just nice. And so now that you got that, let's go ahead and move on to the verse. So the verse is really easy. So it's just F sharp, and then F sharp just goes to G sharp. It's sort of a strum pattern like this. Right? And then the chorus just changes to the B. So for the chorus, let me be more clear about that, sorry. You're gonna go G sharp, B, back to F sharp, and then you're gonna do this cool chord right here, and then back to the G sharp. And so if you're wondering what this chord is, it's actually just the 1 chord, right? But you're putting it in first inversion. So if you find, if you want to know what first inversion is, basically all it is you're putting the 3rd of the chord, so this note right here, right? You're putting that in the bass. So, and it's the same chord still. This is like kind of a funky chord. It's not straight inversion. I'm not sure what extension it is or whatever, but yeah, it's basically just a first inversion chord. And then you just go back. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe. Let's hit 100 subs. Woohoo!